Summer holidays are here, and that means kids at home all day, asking for something cold, something sweet, something fun. So today, I'm making not one, not two, but four super easy homemade ice creams that are healthy, creamy, and absolutely kid-approved. Let's start with the first one, Muskmelon Kesar Pista Ice Cream. This one is naturally sweet, super refreshing, and perfect for hot days. The beautiful aroma of kesar and the richness of pista makes it feel so royal. And the best part? Kids don't even realize they're eating fruit. It turns out so creamy and smooth. Every bite just melts in the mouth. Trust me, once your kids try this, they'll forget store-bought ice creams. It's refreshing, nourishing, and perfect for keeping kids cool and happy during summer. Simple ingredients, magical taste, that's the beauty of homemade. Second one is a favorite for all, strawberry ice cream. So fresh, so fruity, and so pretty. This ice cream has that perfect balance of sweetness and slight tanginess that kids absolutely love. For this, I've used fresh strawberries along with soaked makhana and almonds blended with milk. Once blended, the mixture turns out super smooth with a beautiful natural pink color. It already looks so tempting. And to make it even more fun, I've added some colorful tutti frutti. Those tiny chewy bites make every spoonful more exciting, especially for kids. With a creamy texture and little bursts of sweetness from tutti frutti, kids will truly enjoy every bite. Third one is vanilla ice cream. For this, I've used a simple milk base with vanilla flavor. It's soft, creamy, and has that classic taste everyone loves. This is one ice cream that never goes out of style. Simple yet so satisfying. The smooth and velvety texture just melts instantly in the mouth. It's also super versatile. You can enjoy it on its own, or pair it with cakes, brownies, or any dessert your kids love. Sometimes, the simplest flavors are the most comforting, and this vanilla ice cream is exactly that. And honestly, no matter how many flavors you try, vanilla will always have a special place in everyone's heart. And lastly, milk and dry fruits kulfi. For this, I've used milk along with my choice of dry fruits. It has that thick, rich, and creamy texture, just like traditional kulfi. The richness of milk combined with the goodness of dry fruits makes this not just tasty, but also very nourishing for kids. As it sets, it becomes perfectly firm and gives you that authentic homemade kulfi experience. Every bite is filled with a slight crunch from the dry fruits, which makes it even more enjoyable and satisfying. It's naturally rich, mildly sweet, and feels like a perfect balance of taste and health. This is one of those treats that reminds you of childhood. Simple, wholesome, and full of comfort. A perfect evening delight during summer that both kids and elders can enjoy together.